Hey guys, welcome to a day in the life of Camden as I prepare for my World Champs defense. I'm just a couple days away at the moment. I just wanted to give you guys a real life look at how the day goes for me as we get close to the World Champs and over here in London. Starting off the morning, just checking some emails, catching up with family back home, enjoying a nice little cup of iced coffee, and seeing if there's any other kind of organizational things I need to do for the event. Today's big day, got the press conference later on today, so getting ready for that. But just relaxing and trying to catch up with family, maybe do some FaceTiming and see how everybody's doing. So just finished up some emails and got to talk to some family, which was really nice. I know it's early back home for them, but they sent me some nice emails so that when I wake up in the morning, I get to hear some nice words from them, and I try and email them back and say some nice things to them. And now I like to head in and get some stretching done, a little loosening of the body. It's a tough game, court tennis, especially the way I play it. So it tends to beat the body up. So try and get a little bit of stretching, foam rolling. This is my favorite foam roller. It's a bit awkward looking, but it's pretty tough on the body. It's a Mike Checky recommendation. It works pretty well. So I'd like to get in here and get some foam rolling done each morning, just to loosen the body up for the day. Spend about, even if you can only get 5-10 minutes in of foam rolling, it's really worth it. It makes a huge difference. I just put on a little HGTV myself, watch a little, fixer-upper, a little, buying and selling, and just dream of big houses and try to forget about the pain. Oh, ooh, that is very tight. So just doing some meal prep now. It's one of my favorite things to do. It hasn't always been my strong suit, but over the last couple of years I've really developed a pattern and a habit with cooking my own meals. Part of the reason is when you travel, it's quite tough to eat out all the time. A, it's expensive. B, everybody prepares food differently, and especially in other countries. I'm in London at the moment. It's tough to know how they're going to prepare their food, and your stomach may have a bad reaction to it, or you may get stuff in the food that you don't want. So I find cooking at home allows you to control that better. It also allows you to control your diet, get a more balanced diet, a healthier meal plan, which obviously is so important right now leading into the World Championship. So what I have here is some rice, some vegetables, and some chicken. I've got some mushrooms, some carrot, some broccoli, some sweet potato all mixed in. Just cooked it all in the oven. Gonna separate it out into a couple Tupperware containers so that I have different meals set up. Need that. So important with the diet. It's the easiest way to manage it and make sure that you eat healthy. Especially when you have busy days like I have today. I have obligations at the club in a little bit, and then I've got to go in, string rackets, get ready for practice this evening. Not going to finish till late, and then have to have dinner after that. So to have these meals prepared ahead of time makes all of that so much easier. So just going to divide it all out right now. Try and get a good mixture. You don't want too much protein. You want just enough. You want a lot of carbs, healthy carbs. You want a lot of vegetables. Right now I'm not so much trying to build muscle mass. I'm trying to maintain what I've got. But I want to make sure that I keep that energy level nice and high, because going into next week when you have a 3-day match, that's going to be so important. So just going to keep going with this. I got to eat lunch real quick and then pack everything up and get ready to take off for a busy afternoon. Tell what the spin's going to do, how it's going to react.
I was talking about Robbie saying it can hit 6 surfaces.
Yeah.
And I guess the only way to be able to read what it's going to do is sheer repetition.
Yeah. You see it enough times, you start to understand what's going to happen. And if you don't, you just keep missing it.
Being in one place, I've experienced that on the real tennis court.
Yeah. I mean, I started when I was 5, so it's
okay.
If I hadn't figured it out by now, I wasn't going to figure it out.
Your parents were into it, huh?
My dad played, yeah. Hey guys, just got back from the press conference. Thought it went pretty well. Always cool to get to do those types of things. And now I've got a couple hours before my practice this evening with Mr. Matthew Sarlong. It's a really important part of the day for me. It's exhausting sometimes running around dealing with all this different stuff, and I like to take at least an hour to kind of relax, take a nap, listen to some music, reflect, and really just kind of be on my own, just a bit of me time. And so that's what I'm going to do now. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Minute warm up, and then we're gonna hop on court. You guys are still here? Just getting ready to do a little dinner with the team. Had a great day. Great solid practice this evening with Matthew. Fun press conference earlier. But I gotta be honest, I'm a little tired of being filmed. So I think it's about time for you guys to go. I'll see you later.